friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Second, bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. 3. Sky. The color of sky is blue. The color of sky is blue. Fourth, family. There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. Fifth, copy. This is my copy. This is my copy. Sixth, market. I go to market with my mother. I go to market with my mother. Seventh, brother. My brother's name is Ankit. My brother's name is Ankit. Eighth, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. Ninth, birds. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. 10th, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Thanks for watching.